The method is complete. Now we will perform instrument cleanup.
After the Proteograph assay method is complete, the ICS presents two options: unload carriers and run MPE flush. This is the recommended option. The MPE flush will take approximately 10 minutes. Unload carriers only. If this option is selected, the MPE flush method can be accessed from the maintenance menu from the main screen. Once an option is selected, the carriers will automatically move from the work deck into the auto-load tray area. Immediately remove the peptide collection plate, which contains the clean peptides. Seal the plate with an adhesive mat and spin down the plate. The resulting sample plate layout is shown in the user guide. Set aside the plate at room temperature. Start peptide quantification within 1 hour.
Next, we will remove and dispose of the labware from the carriers.
Open the front protective cover. Remove all plastic labware from the tube, plate, and reservoir carriers. Remove the reservoirs and store the black core lids. Push the carriers back into the SP100 from the autoload tray. Remove the peptide cleanup plate from the MPE and remove the trypsin plate from the chiller. Do not remove the magnet plate. It should remain in the SP100. Close the front protective cover. Dispose of all plastics and reagents in appropriate waste receptacles in accordance with your institutional waste disposal regulations. Turn off the instrument and peripherals.
We cleaned up the SP100. Now we will prepare for peptide quantification, peptide dry down, and mass spec analysis.